cha guys, let us put aside ulo muntu lo bekade ezoshada lana akazazi ukuthi ufunani, kodwa this was supposed to be a very beautiful wedding. Yeah man, look at this, look at the makeup, look at the decor, look at the venue, everything is so perfect. Bezomosha umuntu oyi-one uZethu. Hi guys, oh no, if I know in this video I don't even want to talk about Tuesday. All I want to talk about is how beautiful the wedding was. So if you are interested, then do stay tuned to this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you to like and if you can subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down and so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get into it. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the venue. Everyone is so happy. Everyone is so excited for all of this. Now, one. I'm watching yonke le happiness that everyone around here is having. Now is going to look so embarrassed. Because how could you allow indodakazi yaqeqeshelwa indoda manje? Indoda bekade ilobole the past week. Usuthi wena manje shade le indoda futhi. Hey, naye lo baba lona, I think he is getting exactly what he deserves. Uma ubuthi uyahlambalazeka, that is exactly what he deserves. But that is not what I want us to talk about here. I want to talk about how beautiful everything was. He was so excited thinking that everything was going to go smooth. I remember this scene. So excited. I'm going to live happily ever after. Not knowing what Tuzethu has in store for him. And my favorite scene of all of this was this one. Makwanyane ngena laphayana. Becabanga ukuthi Makwanyane is the one who's going to cause chaos like throughout the wedding, but Makwanyane did not even say a word. UZethu nje uzimoshele yena umshado wakhe ngezandla zakhe. Akho umuntu omphushile, akho umuntu otheni yena. Whenever decided ukuthi I'm going to ruin this by myself without anyone's help. Nangempela ke nakho ke siphi manje, because she left the wedding and we all don't know what is going to happen. Noma uphumile ngoba esazobuya or uphume umphelo. But if you ask me, I don't think that she's even coming back. About the next thing about Zvezela, noma Zvezela nesempedeni endlini yakhe noma wakhe bexoxa ekhala tshela ungaraji noma wakhe ukuthi mina angifuna ukushada noShobani. Shobani ubulile umuntu wami usifiso. Abantu labahle umasigcoze kahle kahle. Guys, do share your thoughts there on the comment section. Share opinions. Unicabangani ngale nto qeda kwenziwa uZethu there. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.